Paying off credit card debt is one of the most common financial goals. It can also be one of the most difficult to accomplish, but we have a few tips to help make it easier. Making minimum payments on high-interest cards means not only that it'll take a long time, but also that you'll end up paying a significant amount more than you borrowed originally. If you're facing a mountain of credit card debt, a balance transfer can help. A balance transfer lets you move existing credit card debt to a new card with a special offer or a lower rate. Many times, credit card companies offer an introductory 0% interest period. During that time, any payments you make will go straight into your principal balance, which helps reduce debt faster than if a big portion of your payment was going toward interest. And if you have multiple credit cards with high balances, you can use a balance transfer to consolidate your debt with only one payment each month. Keep in mind, balance transfers aren't always free. Some lenders charge up to 5% on the balance being transferred. Also, it's important to remember that a balance transfer will only help you on your debt journey if you make a commitment not to rack up additional debt. It can be tempting to use your cards once you free up some credit, but if a debt-free life is what you're after, you'll need to stick to your plan and your budget. Ready to tackle your credit card debt once and for all? Florida Credit Union can help you find a balance transfer card that's right for you. Just visit flcu.org for more details. Florida Credit Union, member-owned, community-proud since 1954.